All right, it's time for dessert. We have one that's sure to become your favorite.
That's what's on the menu as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Who wants a sweet? How about a cake? How about a raspberry almond ricotta cake? How about it? Yeah, let's do it. For this cake, you're gonna need all-purpose flour, some regular granulated sugar, baking powder, a pinch of salt, whole milk ricotta cheese, eggs, vanilla extract, almond extract, unsalted butter, some raspberries, turbinado sugar, and sliced almonds. All-purpose flour is step one. We're gonna work with dry ingredients first. Add sugar to this, baking powder, and a little pinch of salt. We whisk all this together to get all our dry ingredients combined. This is whole milk ricotta cheese, and I'm gonna add eggs to this, some vanilla extract, and a little bit of almond extract, just to give it a little extra. I'm gonna whisk all this together. All right, here comes the butter, melted butter, just a little bit at a time. My arm hurts. Does that mean I need to work out more? I'm out of shape. We've got our wet, we've got our dry, and now is when they get married. Add it in and fold it in. Make sure it's well combined. Now I'm gonna put in my raspberries and fold those in gently, trying not to break them. It's not a tragedy if you do, but if you can keep them whole, that'd be great. If you can't, the cake is still gonna be delicious. So I've got a springform pan here that I've sprayed with a little bit of butter spray, and I'm just gonna add my batter in, smooth it out a little bit, top it with a little bit of turbinado sugar, that raw sugar, and some sliced almonds. In the oven we go. My oven's at 350, and this is gonna take about an hour. Let's have a peek. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. I let my cake cool. All I'm gonna do now is pop it off and ta-da! Let's slice it up. You saw how easy it is to make, so make it at home. Grab that phone, scan that QR code, and get to baking. It's so easy. Raspberry almond ricotta cake. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys, right? Buon appetito.